Good morning from Vietnam. If you're new here, my name is Tor and I'm traveling with my 3 best friends down here in Southeast Asia. The past few days here in Vietnam, we have done some exploring and I'm gonna tell you all about it. Okay, firstly, we took a sleeping bus from Mune to Nha Trang. And the only reason why we went to Nha Trang was because we have heard that there was a sick waterfall in this forest. So, when we got there, we immediately rented scooters and started our journey to this waterfall. No, just kidding, we stood in traffic a long time. And we got burgers for breakfast. But then, when we got off the highway, it was this beautiful road we drove through villages and farmland. An amazing experience. And then at the end of the road, we jumped off our motorbikes, and now it was time to hike and find the waterfall. Diving from 9 meters. Oh my god. Sick place. If you come to Vietnam, you have to come here. The best part is like there's nobody here. That's what we love. We love awesome, like wonderful places without any tourists. This is sick. This was so fun. Funnest yet. Holy crap. But now we have to unfortunately go because we have a train to catch. We're going to Hoi An now. A 10-hour sleeping train. So that's where we're going now. So, står det noe med? We can't find our room. As usual, when we arrived, we didn't have a place to live, so we just decided to rent scooters and try to find something to do. And we ended up at the beach. And literally we were just looking at the waves. We're like, hey, want to try to surf? Because we don't surf in Norway. So, that's what we did. Can we rent?
Yeah.
You can?
Yeah.
Oh yeah. Oh, nice.
How much?
How much? Så ja, sykt lite brett da. Ja, men legger down uansett. Okay, we found surfboards in Vietnam, but we just need to eat something first, and we literally just drove from there to here on a scooter. We did not walk. That's how lazy we are right now. But now, first eat, then surf.
Yeah, I'm looking forward to surf.
Yeah, I like surfing. Surfing is the best. Yes.
Okay. Now the sun's out, surfboard's out. This is our first time ever surfing. Or no, I've surfed once with school.
Me too.
Yeah.
I'm professional.
Yeah, he's professional. So yeah, we're gonna surf in Vietnam for the first time with these super small boards. This is gonna be hard. Sponsored by Quicksilver.
Main sponsor. Shout out to Quicksilver and Roxy.
And Roxy. So, what are your sponsors?
Yeah, I don't have any sponsor, but I make my own sponsors because I'm sponsored by myself. Hashtag got cash on my own.
Okay, it is time to surf. Then all listen. Come on. Oh man. Okay, I caught my first wave. Now I have to stand up. Win for the Mavericks. Ah! Oh shit, oh shit. Oh! No! Oh, two! Hey! Oh! Whee! Shit! Oh god, this is hard as hell. Okay. Bye. Surf hard to go home, boys. Our sick surfing brought a lot of attention. Now we have an audience because we're so sick at surfing, you know. In school they tell you never to quit no matter what. But today it's safe to say that we're quitting for today. And we're going to try it tomorrow because we have to learn how to surf. Because we are going to Bali and Thailand in 2 months. So we have to learn to surf! Okay. Time to go home and try to surf another day. And that wraps up 2 sick days here in Vietnam. And the best part is we have 3 more months of this. So if you enjoyed that, hit the subscribe button and I'll see you in the next video.